In this video, I'm going to be doing an iON sync install on these Vivobarefoot boots. And so we open up the kit, which comes with a set of instructions, this hole gauge, and then some parts, some plugs, and this block anvil and a hole punch. So I'm looking to install the plug right here. So I set the block anvil up so that it's lined up with that spot on the inside. All right, we got the block anvil under where we want to cut the hole. Line up our hole punch. Grab our hammer and get ready to pound that hole through. Alright, we got that hole done. Now we move over to the next shoe. Given that this has a high top, I'm actually putting the block anvil in the sock shoe kind of construction and positioning the block anvil over where I want to put the hole. Then I bounce the shoe upside down on that at the hole punch where we want to cut the hole. And now we got the hole done. So now we'll bring that in a little bit closer and we take the plug and insert it through the hole from the inside. And then we just kind of pull that through until the bar pops through. And if you want to see how this hole gauge works, what we do is we put our hand on the hole from the inside, put our finger over the hole, and then we use the hole depth gauge and we press that into the hole until it hits the finger. And then we see what size that's calling for on the hole gauge. And as you see, it's kind of in between a blue and a red based on where that arrow is pointing, which would be a small or medium. And given that this has like a softer insole on the inside, I'm gonna go with the smaller size. So again, we just take that plug, feed it through the hole from the inside to the outside, and then we just pull that pull tab until the barb pops through. And now we have to cut the pull tab. And you can use a few different tools for that, like some wire cutters, a pair of scissors, or a razor blade. I'm going to start by trying this razor blade. And I'm just kind of balancing the razor blade on the tread. So the plug will be cut to the same height as the tread. Alrighty, there we got the plug cut flush with the tread. And now we'll do the next one. And again, I'm gonna try it. I like this technique because it gets it really flat with the tread, and just run the razor blade on the lugs. And trim it up a little bit. And there we go, we got our iON sync grounded Vivobarefoot, and you can see that plug on the inside.